Foundation of Public Administration. Public administration means governmental administration that operates in a political setting. Its focus is specifically on public establishments. The study and practice of public establishment is called public administration. It encompasses the management of public agencies that carry out public policies in order to fulfill state purposes in the public interest. Since government provides services for the people in the public interest, the administration of governmental affairs is known as public administration. Public administration can also be seen as the activities of groups cooperating to accomplish the common goals of government by safeguarding such frontiers as maintenance of law and order, communications, public health, education, etc. In managing public affairs, public administration focuses principally on the planning, organizing, directing, coordinating, and controlling of governmental operations. The evolution of public administration. Stages in the chronology of the evolution of public administration as discipline. First, politics administration dichotomy, 1887 to 1926. Principle of administration, 1927 to 1937. Era of challenge, 1938 to 1947. Crisis of identity, 1948 to 1970. Public policy perspective, 1971 onwards. Public administration in the Philippines has its foundations deeply rooted in historical, cultural, and administrative context. The evolution of the country's public administration can be traced through various phases, reflecting changes in governance structures, societal needs, and political ideologies. Understanding the foundation of public administration in the Philippines requires a comprehensive look at its historical development and key principles. Historical perspective. Colonial legacy. The Philippines' public administration has been significantly influenced by centuries of Spanish and American colonial rule. Spanish colonization introduced bureaucratic structures and centralized governance, while American colonization brought in modern administrative concepts and democratic ideals. Post-independence era. With the Philippines gaining independence in 1946, there was a need to establish a government that reflected the aspiration of a newly liberated nation. The Philippine government adopted a democratic system, drawing from both Western and indigenous influences. Theoretical frameworks. Public administration in the Philippines draws from various theoretical frameworks that guide its principles, practices, and policy making. These frameworks provide a conceptual basis for understanding and analyzing the complexities of public administration in the Philippine context. Some of the prominent theoretical frameworks include Newly Public Management, emphasizes efficiency, effectiveness, and customer satisfaction in public service delivery. It advocates for a more business-oriented and market-driven approach to governance. Good governance emphasizes transparency, accountability, rule of law, and participation. It focuses on the ethical conduct of public officials and the responsiveness of government institutions to the needs of the people. Decentralization and local governance emphasizes the delegation of authority and resources to local government units to empower them in addressing the unique needs of their communities. It promotes local autonomy and participatory governance. Public choice theory applies economic principles to the study of public administration, assuming that individuals act in their self-interest. It examines how public officials and agencies make decisions based on their own preferences and incentives. Administrative state theory focuses on the role of the administrative state in addressing societal issues and delivering public services. It acknowledges the need for a competent and efficient bureaucracy to effectively implement policies. Post-bureaucratic governance challenges traditional hierarchical structures, emphasizing network, collaborative, and flexible approaches to governance. It stresses the importance of the partnership between government, non-governmental organizations, and the private sectors. These theoretical frameworks provide lenses through which scholars, policymakers, and practitioners in the Philippines can analyze, evaluate, and shape public administration practices in the context of the country's unique history, socio-economic conditions, and governance challenges. That's all for Foundation of Public Administration. Thank you.